it says, Merry Little Christmas and Happy New Year. We love you. From Auntie M. Okay. Is it open?
Yeah.
Here. 1 second. Let me help you. Here we go. Okay. Right here. Good job. Oh, what's that?
Cookie.
It's a baby. That's pretty, huh? Want me to open it?
Yeah.
Let's see if Mama can figure this out. There we go. Oh. Welcome, Biddy Baby. Oh.
What do you think of Angeline?
Do you like it? Look at Mama. Say, do you like it?
I like it.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You want to open the other one while I get this one unpacked?